Assalamu alaikum students. This video is for pre-9th class, subject physics, chapter number 3, page number 75. Today we will discuss methods of reducing friction. Students, you know that friction is a force that opposes the motion of a body. Today we will discuss, in last video we discussed advantages and disadvantages of friction, and in this video we will discuss how we can reduce or we can minimize the friction. The first point is making the sliding surfaces smooth. Students, even the smoother surfaces, when we see under microscope, they have bumps and pits, which are major causes of friction, but we cannot remove, but we can minimize them by making the surface smooth. So by doing so we can decrease the friction. So that is first point, making the sliding surfaces smooth. By doing so we can reduce the friction. The second point, making the fast moving objects streamline shape, fish shape. Students, air also, when body moves with high speed, air also offers friction. So if we want to minimize that friction, we have to design our vehicles in such a way that their front part of the vehicles must be streamlined like fish shape or narrow. In this way there is less surface area of the vehicles from the front, so there are less friction offered by the air. So in this way easily vehicles can move with more speed because now there is less friction. So in this part we can reduce friction by making the fast moving objects streamline, stream shape and fish shape, such as cars, aeroplanes. You can see in this diagram, there we have a train. Streamlining the bullet train reduces air resistance at high speed. Now there is less resistance offered by air. Why? Because its shape is narrow and there is less surface area from the front against the air resistance. This causes the smooth flow of air and thus minimizes air resistance at high speed. Third part, lubricating the sliding surfaces. Students, we know that again, according to definition of friction, is a force that opposes the motion of a body. In machines, the high running parts of the machines, there is more chances of friction, but we want to minimize the friction by using lubrication. For example, by using grease or oil. The use of grease and oil may make the surfaces of the fast moving parts smooth, so there are less chances of friction by using lubrication. The last part, using ball bearing or roller bearings. Students, in last video we have discussed that roller sliding friction is more and roller friction is less. So in this way, by using these ball bearings, we can convert the sliding into rolling, so we can minimize or we can decrease the friction by using ball bearings. So it is all about the methods through which we can reduce the friction. Thank you.